Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you another Gerber multi-tool in this let's say small series, mini series of tools that I am currently working on, and I will be talking about the Gerber Dime Black. So we had the Gerber Dime Traveler, and this is the Gerber Dime Black. So without the Traveler, this makes, in my opinion, a full-on multi-tool. So you have a knife inside of this one. Additional features, which is only good to see in any kind of multi-tool configuration, is that the tool itself is corrosion protected with the black, let's say, Teflon paint. And also I will compare it with my EDC, so that is Leatherman Squirt PS4. Okay, so let's talk about the specifications. So it has a butterfly opening feature like probably many your standard multi-tools, if you not have some power tools that also Gerber makes, which are reminiscing to an automatic knife, OTF, when the springs are popping out in the front. So we have a spring-loaded pliers made out of stainless steel. We have probably anodized aluminum on these covering scales. The item number is really long and boring, so I don't know if you would like to know it. So it is 310011001134, but just search for Gerber Dime Black and you will see it. But like I mentioned in my previous video, it is always good to have a multi-tool on your person, or in your backpack, or your man purse, or girl purse, or whatever purse you have, because it weighs not that much, and you will have a certain level of preparedness that you will really enjoy to have, just because if you need it, you will have it, and you can help yourself or maybe some other person in trouble. Okay, so the tools are accessible from the closed position. So we have a knife, I have to also say that it is available in different colors. So this is a good tool to have. You can see this is another knife, but it's a retail packaging opener. So maybe you know those blisters, those blister packs. Yes, this is a really excellent way how to open them. So this is good to have. And to anybody who is making unboxing and using a small kitchen knife, or dull kitchen knife, or a key to open packages, it make me cringe, of course, but just because I'm a knife guy. But yeah, this is good to have. It will stay sharp for a long time because it's a chisel ground blade. So yeah, good to have it. So retail packaging opener. Of course, we have also tweezers. Scissors. The tweezers are here. And if you watched my other videos, then also the previous one had them, and I forgot to show it to you, but they are definitely there. Okay, so another tool on the other side should be the, no, And here are the screwdrivers. Okay, here are the screwdrivers, and the screwdriver has also a fine and coarse file. Let's see, the pliers have wire cutters, standard pliers, and we have a lanyard ring, which is here, and also a bottle opener, which is nicely accessible. Sturdy stainless steel construction, of course. Now let's compare them with the Leatherman. So obviously this is the same platform. I should not say platform, but it's the same intent of a product from different companies to make a compact multi-tool, because not everybody wants to carry a full size or large multi-tool, which is really heavy. The weight on this one is 2.2 ounces. The open length is 2.25 inches and the closed length is 2.75. So really a small, compact design. So in my previous videos I did show you the some differences. They will be same, because the design is the same, only the tools are different. So these are the scissors. On the other side, yes, the Leatherman is much smoother, just because I have used it a lot. So these are the screwdrivers. The Leatherman PS4 has a dedicated file, so it does not have to have just a small portion on the screwdriver, but it does not have the retail packaging opener, just because it has the large file. The widest opening. They're almost the same. Closed. Almost the same. So definitely, if you are looking for a small, compact multi-tool, check out the Gerber dime. These retail for $23. Obviously, when you have some deals, you can get them at a cheaper price. It's always good to do your homework and check out retailers like Amazon, eBay, and Blade HQ. I know Blade HQ carries them, but probably it does. So just go check them out. You will find a good price with which you are happy with. I can strongly recommend both of them, of course. If you want to spend a little bit more and you don't want a retail packaging opener, then go for the Leatherman. And if it does not bother you that these are made in China, then you can get them maybe both. If you like, get them both. Have one your person, give one away to your wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, or maybe give it to your children. It depends how old are they. Yes, if they are young, just give them the Gerber Dime Traveler. there is no knife, so you should be safe. But on the other hand, it is always too good to start to teach your children how to handle tools, because a knife is nothing else than a tool, and it will be necessary in life. Okay, so this was the Gerber Dime Black. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. And if you have experiences, maybe bad, maybe good ones, it depends, everybody has them. I would love to hear them, so share them in the comment section, and I will give you my opinion, or I can give you whatever information you requesting, and I can answer it to you, so I will respond as soon as I can. Okay, so thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.